Morning guys, July 19th, 2022. This one I got a call from a guy. He said he's got a toilet that was installed like 4 years ago. Now when he flushes it, it leaks on the floor. So I'm thinking it's probably one of those funnel waxes in there. Perfect example of an issue with the funnel waxes. What happens is they put them funnel waxes in. When they first put them in, they're usually in the center, they're fine. But as people sit on a toilet and it moves back, it moves back, it moves back, and next thing you know, the toilet's dumping and hitting the funnel flange and splashing out. That's what happens with those. That's why I don't use those. I use a regular flange and dump it in the pipe. I don't like the funnel flanges. So I bet you that's what's in there, but could be something else. We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It's a leaking shitter, Molly. Oh yeah, we're gonna set up the shitter cam over there, Miss Molly. Yeah, we will. Yeah. I bet you these are loose. I can move with my hand. Yeah, flipping things are loose. I gotta tighten them up first. She's loose as a goose, Mama. Let's see if they're... Yeah, look at that. Holy shit, guy. That's a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Look at that. I mean, I just tighten the flipping thing up. I mean, it's no good like that. That's probably what the problem is. Like sitting back and taking a dump, putting pressure on it. She's loose as a goose, Mama. This is why I use this. I don't put a lot of pressure. Let's see if this is loose. Even the fat chicks need a little loving, you know. Yeah, look at that. She's loose as a goose, Mama. Wow. This needs a little tightening probably. We'll flush it and see what happens. We'll try that. Might have to pull it, but... I gotta pull it. No water? Not good. Wow. Alright, we'll pull it. We'll pull it. Definitely a leaker. She's definitely a leaker. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. We gotta pull it, put it in the wax down there. Find out what's going on under there. This one's a cola. She's got a bolt in the back there. So maybe that's a problem. Well, I think it's leaking from the bottom. Yeah. I gotta pull it. I said the other plumber wasn't happy the way the floor flange was, so we'll have to look at that. Not much room in here. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. Get the cover off so I don't break it. Unbolt it, we'll pull it and see what's going on in there. So, rocket science. Ain't rocket science. It's not rocket science, Mom. I don't know what we're gonna see under there. We'll find out, I guess, won't we? Yeah, we will. Right now. Are you ready? Lots of funnel wax. Sure enough, what I say. That's what it was. My buddy the funnel wax. See, it hits that funnel wax and it pops out. The guy put a little bit cattywampus too, so that's why it's leaking. Been leaking for a while here. For one, he's got this funnel wax in here. See this plastic thing?
Yeah.
And besides, he doesn't have it in the center there. See it? How it's just barely on there?
Yeah.
So what's happening is, instead of the water going right in the pipe when it flushes, it's hitting the funnel wax and popping back out.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take it out, put a regular wax without this plastic piece of shit in there, because you don't need that.
Okay.
And then you'll be good.
All right.
The flange is fine. I don't see no issue with the flange. I don't know what the other guy was talking about. Well, he didn't like it. He didn't like it. I mean, it's high enough.
There was something wrong with the height. I don't exactly know what it was. But.
I think he's on flipping drugs.
That's an old flange, huh?
No, that's actually a good cast iron flange. There's nothing wrong with that. See, it's cast iron.
Yeah.
It's like the old 55 Chevys. I mean, you can't beat them.
Yeah, right.
Right?
Yep, that's the old metal. It doesn't rust out as fast as the new stuff, right?
Unless what the guy did was, see how this gap here is?
Yeah.
He might have pushed the toilet over.
Yeah.
To miss this gap and then screwed that up. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I'm putting it right on the middle of this flipping toilet. I'm not pushing it over or nothing. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
The way this guy, that's what he probably complained about. See how it's got this big gash there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Not good.
Oh. All right. That's good. You can fix it.
You can't have it leaking.
No.
No, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can't have it leaking.
Can't have it leaking.
Nope. Yeah, so I figured I'd call you right away.
Now, where'd you get my number?
I've seen your trucks around. In fact, I've seen you on video on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
And I think the last time your name came up.
Yeah, see how this floor comes down and it's all everything's square about this.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
It just doesn't seem right.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what the guy was complaining about.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I saw you on YouTube. I like the way you work, and I'd see you do a good job. Your name did come up. I had problems with my Wheel McLean Ultra,
High efficiency piece
ultra
of
high
shit.
efficiency thing. And the guy at the gas company, the guy that knows those, went to the gas company and he couldn't do it. He said, try Steve Lavimoniere. But I ended up finding that it was a sensor.
Oh, okay.
Sensor. And put that in.
And it worked.
Actually, you know, I put the sensor in, it didn't seem to work that great, so I patched up the old one.
You did?
It's got like a plastic collar around it. So I just put some Teflon tape around it, and it worked, got me through the winter.
Yeah, they don't make shit like they used to anymore. I mean, everything's high efficiency and shit don't last.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
Even the air conditioner, the same way, they don't last. I mean, you're lucky to get 10 years out of them, they start leaking.
Right.
Some of the old shit I work on 50 years old, still working.
Yeah.
I mean, not anymore.
Good.
The way they do shit now.
Yeah, we just got these cuts, these air conditioner, Mitsubishi cut-in air conditioner things.
Oh, mini split?
The mini split, they seem to work well.
Yeah, they work well when you first get them. They're fine.
I hope they last. You don't think they'll last?
I don't know.
I hope so.
I don't know. Who knows, guy?
Okay,
I'm not too worried about it.
I hope at least they last another...
As long as it's not in my house, I'm good. Right?
Yeah.
They're alright. I guess they're alright until they stop breaking down. Then you call tech support, they put you on hold for 4 hours trying to get a hold of these guys.
We had a guy from Taunton put it in, Irish, and I forget his name now. It was 2 years ago.
Alright, so we're going to use my testy screwdriver and pen so I know where I got to put it. See?
Yeah.
See that little tech tip?
Yeah.
That's it. We'll put it right on there.
Do you need to look in there?
I don't, no. I just have to get it in position. I gotta get it in position. Well, it's gonna miss my tool because you don't have much room here, you know?
Yeah. It's tiny.
There's my stuff out of the way.
The only other pneumonia that I've ever known was my father was friends with a guy that was, this was way back, he was a major or a colonel.
Yeah.
Military guy.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's related, but
He's related, yeah.
yeah. I just
Look at that shit. Yeehaw!
Excellent.
Huh?
That's perfect.
That's like...
That's way better than it was.
That's like pushing out a big Fritz. It came up. Here we go.
Would you like a cool drink?
No, I'm good. But you see how I lined it up and it popped in perfect? That's what we want.
Yeah.
Good. I got stuff in the truck. Yeah, I can see what he put the shim on the side here. You see the shim on it? He put on the shutters. I'm gonna have to put shingles. See how it's pulling a wheelie?
Yeah.
See how it's pulling a wheelie?
Yeah.
No good. See this?
Yeah. Now it's hit.
Well, wait till I bolt it down. But what I'm
Flush.
saying is,
It's more flush than it was.
we might have to do something with it. I'm not sure yet, but let's bolt it down, and then if it's pulling a wheelie, we gotta shim it.
All right.
We'll
figure that out.
I'll figure it out. That's why I don't like those waxes. That's exactly why.
Yeah.
And I got guys, oh yeah, them waxes are the greatest. Okay, you say so. Them waxes are the greatest. Okay, buddy. Probably put a shingle in the front because of the stove. She's pulling a wheelie. Pulling a flipping wheelie on me. I have to put a shingle under the front, I think. It's pulling a wheelie. We don't want it pulling a wheelie. Alright, let's see if this... this. Look at the gap under the front. A big gap. I gotta put a shingle under there and cut it because that's no good. There's a big gap. This is gonna push down. I'm gonna put a shingle under it and cut it. Once we cut it, it'll be fine. Ain't gonna go nowhere. Little tick tip more. Little tick tip. You won't even see it. Slick as shit, mama. Let's see, it's going to wheel it, so let's see if it flushes. It's tight. I don't see no leakers. You see the gap. See the gap? It's a good size wheelie it's pulling. That's it, no more leaks. I think I want to go down with this a little bit. I did adjust the float down a little bit. I think it was coming up too high. Nothing but quality here, this cola. Lower quality. There we go, right there, it's perfect. I did adjust it down, it was coming up higher before.